Hello everyone! Today we are at the Fernwood Botanical Gardens and Nature Preserve. I don't even have the words to describe this place. It is just amazing. This place looks huge. They have a little bit of everything. I honestly don't even know what to expect, but I know it is going to be good, so let's check it out. This is definitely going to be fun. Our first of many stops is at the Buyer Terrace. And check this place out. This little gazebo here. I love that little light setup as well there. And check out this view out here. Amazing. And this is just the beginning, folks. We have now reached the little pond. Looks a little low on water right now. I do see a few fish down there. This structure over here appears to be called Take 5, a stick wood sculpture by Patrick Duttery. This thing is fairly large. I'm going to have to walk through this. We are now entering the butterfly larvae garden. Don't really see a lot of butterflies around here though. But let's keep an eye out. Don't think I can walk through there. Let's try their side. Now this may be my favorite place here, the Railway Garden. Check this out. Yep, there are actually miniature trains running through here. I think multiple. This is going to be awesome. I hear the train. There it is. Now, what nature center would be complete without a Japanese garden? This is the Gene G. Hussey Memorial Garden by Garrett Kruger. This is called Concrete and Steel. This little area is called the Hostable. Now this area is known as the Herb and Sensory Garden. Let's check it out. It smells really good here. This is the Shade Perennial Garden. And on a warm day like today, shade sounds good. Here is the Lilac Garden. We are now entering the Home Fern Garden. Lots of ferns. And how awesome is this? An old-fashioned wagon wheel. And check out this view. Just amazing. Check out this tree, completely uprooted. They call this the big pond. There's something in particular that I'm looking for, and I'm still on the search. And it looks like I have found it. The St. Joseph River. I couldn't leave here without checking out the river. Here it is. This is the big river that flows through South Bend. There isn't much else out here, folks. I'm barely getting a cell signal. So quiet. Just quite amazing. Making my way to the exit. I can't resist. I have to go back.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Definitely worth it. That was the Fernwood Botanical Gardens and Nature Preserve. I knew this place was going to be good, but it definitely went beyond my expectations. And I only begun to scratch the surface here. I visited a lot of the main areas, but there are also miles of wooded trails throughout this place. One thing I know for sure is I definitely have to come back in the fall. The colors are going to be truly amazing, and there is so much more to see here. I definitely recommend checking out this place. I will put a link to their website in the description of this video. Today is July 5th, 2017, by the way. It will not be uploaded on July 5th, but I am taking this video on July 5th, which happens to be the 1-year anniversary of my YouTube channel. It's hard to believe. I've been doing videos for a year now. I have almost 50 videos uploaded, and honestly, I can't think of a better place to be than where I am right now to celebrate that 1-year anniversary. Although all the videos I've done, all the places I've visited, this definitely has to be my favorite. So I'm very glad I came out here and on my 1-year anniversary. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Help me celebrate my 1-year anniversary by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to an exciting year 2.